So we're just at our new spot in Blowholes, which is the start of the Ningaloo Reef. It's about 75 k's from Caravan. We've literally just got a spot right on the beach, so that's pretty cool. Now we're just going for a drive just to go have a look at the actual blowholes. If you're here, you got to make sure you got enough water because there's no water around, and if you need to fill up, you just fill up back in Caravan, but it's about an hour's drive, so it's not too bad. So hopefully this canteen's still here. Fuck, it looks like it's blown away. What do you know? There is a canteen. Well, it looks like it.
Food van.
Food van. Sick. Looks like we're getting lunch here. What do you want, Sagey boy? Hot dogs? Hot donuts.
Oh, what do you think we need for cash?
Oh, we got no cash. Oh, we've got that cash.
Oh yeah, here.
Make sure you got cash with you as well. I don't think they've got. Oh, they
might have it.
They might have FPOS. You gonna get some fish and chips, Bubby?
Dump in the jump. Tap when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field, saying vivid for the ears. I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I fit it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive angry black man with a passion. Steady grip while I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Chatting line with a loose leaf, then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth, me your bed with the writing. Love at first sight, art over hype. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, could they could get. I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of thing, what they find behind it. Why the vicious behind the eyelid. Tell it reckless with the clauses. Careful with the cost me. Need it forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. They cook the auction, they false print. Always with the with the caution. Hold the 10 toes down for the dogs. You can see the paw print.
Shit.
Let me give you a tour of our camp spot. We got our eating area. Thaja's just had some buttered chicken. Is it good? Good. Yeah, very good. And we've got our friend Stacey and her daughter Indy and Everly, and they're staying in here. So they've got a really cool view. So they've got a view of the beach right there. We fit myself Lan and Sage quite comfortably, but we can basically have another family and still be comfortable. So that bell tent behind me. What's that, Sage? What do you want? So we copped a bit of bad weather last night. So it's quite sunny now, but it's real windy and a bit of a cold front just come through. And yeah, it was pretty wild, to be honest. Nearly lost the gazebo. I didn't think it was going to be that windy. So I didn't bring the gazebo down, but geez, the inside bit came off and it was pretty much on its way to flying away and nearly lost the top. But I strapped it down with a big water bottle and a weight just in case, and did the job. Yesterday the water pump broke, so we actually haven't had water, and we've had to use like just bottles of water and use buckets and that to clean everything. So I'm going for a swim this morning so I can have a shower and then I'll quickly dry. So sometimes things happen and you just gotta surrender to it. So as much as it's pretty tough not having water, and I've still got to figure out how to fix it, I'm going for a beach swim this morning and it's going to feel good. So let's do it. Woo! Sucked out the ocean. Nothing like a bit of a shower in the ocean in the morning. Makes you feel alive. Woo! Hopefully this weather calms down and yeah, I've got to sort this water pump out, but this is what it's all about. That free spirit life. You don't really need anything. You can survive as long as you can get some water and some food. Enjoy the nature. Woo! Love it. Something that you just can't describe until you experience it. Something out in the ocean, just the rawness and the energy. It's Mother Nature. You've got all the elements. You've got the water, the earth, the wind, the sun. It recalibrates you. Woo! Makes you feel alive. Kiss.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Smoothie bowls.
Delicious. Smoothie. Smoothie bowl. Yum.
Girls are in the kitchen cooking. What are we cooking? What's for dinner?
We're having chicken and Lon's making vegetables.
Yeah.
This is just like crumb chicken. There
Crumb-
you go, baby.
Crumb chicken. What do we have here?
Roasting the vegetables, seasoning them.
Some taco seasoning. Yum.
Yum.
You let all the babies in. Do you think that's funny, Sage?
Cheese, Baba.
Seems quite comfortable here.